Dashboards are the most flexible monitoring tools in Wrike. They're dynamic boards that you can populate with specific lists of tasks. These lists are called widgets, and they're created based on a particular folder or project. In this video, we'll see how to create a team dashboard to manage work across multiple individuals. The Dashboards button is located in the top panel of the Wrike workspace. Once you click it, you'll see the latest dashboard that you opened. Just click the name and choose Plus New Dashboard. Start by naming your dashboard. Let's say we're creating a dashboard for the marketing team, so the name will be Marketing Team. Okay, great. Now we're ready to add some widgets to it. We click the Plus New Widget button over here and instantly see all the preset widgets. We want to create one from scratch, so we click on Custom Widget, which is the first option listed. Let's have it show us all unassigned tasks that reside in the Marketing Team folder. We'll call it Unassigned Tasks and use the Marketing folder as the source. If we want the widget to show tasks from all the folder's descendant items too, we include tasks from subfolders. We can sort the tasks in the widget by date, status, importance, title, and priority. We can also leave the Show Folder Names box checked so we can quickly see which folder or project a task resides in. Now let's make this widget show the tasks that meet our specified criteria. All the possible filters are located here in the right side panel and are divided into sections. We'll leave the All Active Tasks box checked. Go to the Assignee section and check Unassigned. Our first widget is ready now, and we can add it to the dashboard. We can also create a few widgets with our team members' names to track their to-do lists, just like this. We click the Plus New Widget button and choose Active Tasks by Assignee widget. Then select a team member and choose the folder again. Now you can add this widget to our dashboard. Let's add one more widget. And then we can drag and drop tasks between these widgets to quickly and easily reassign work. For example, let's reassign this task to Joanna, or we can drag tasks from the Unassigned section to assign them. The next widget will help track all the overdue tasks that our team has on their plates, so we can find out the reasons for a delay and discuss next steps. We click the Plus New Widget button over here and click on Custom Widget. We're prompted to add the title, so let's make it Team Overdue. We have to choose the folder again, Marketing. And now we go to the filters. We'll skip the Assignee section this time since we want to check on the tasks assigned to all the team members. Next, we go to the Tasks to Do section and check the Overdue box. All right, we're good to go and can add this widget to our dashboard. Let's also create a widget that will help us track all active tasks for the current week so we can stay on top of things. We follow the same steps as before and go to the filters. We'll leave the All Active box in the Status section checked, and we'll also check the This Week box in the Tasks to Do section. And let's also add a widget to show the projects that need to be done this month so we can make sure there are no setbacks. Choose Project Widget. Add the title and choose the folder. Now we go to the filters, choose the Finished Date section, and check the This Month box. Now we can add it to the dashboard. Since we're working with a marketing department dashboard, we might want to create a widget with all the files that the team is currently working on, just like this. Choose Files widget. Choose the folder, apply filters, and then add it to the dashboard. Now we can open any file directly from the dashboard and check the proofing and approval history. Now the dashboard is ready. With its help, you can assign work, track tasks that are late, and make sure everything is on track for the week. You can change the size of your widgets and move them to customize your view. You can also open any task to make some changes to it. Or if you need to edit the whole widget, just click on the triple dot over here and choose Edit. Don't forget to share your dashboard with your team so they have visibility. Just click on this plus button over here and choose People or Groups. Note that folders and projects on which the widgets are based must be shared with your team as well.